Same things in VS Code. I will also create a front end. Do you see app.py? So Streamlit, are you done guys? Streamlit? In Streamlit, we just display messages. In Streamlit, we just display a message. But now, so we create a pickle here or not? I will load the pickle file in this locations, guys. I will read the pickle file over here. Just let me please listen. And I want to make a title, salary predictions app. Which app I want to create? Salary predictions app, the title of my front end code. Brief descriptions. What is about this app? ST means what? Streamlit. ST means Streamlit.write. This app predicts the salary based on year of experience using simple linear regressions model. Now, a user enter the year of experience or not? Maybe 2 years, 3 years, 10 years, 12 years, and minimum value 0, max value 0. When the button click, we have to create a button, guys, in front end. So the output plots will display based on, yeah, I'll show you. So how do you work on this? Just 1 second. Yep. Now, wait. Okay. So here, and once we experience input predictions. Now what I'm going to do, let's see. I'll go here and terminal and new terminal. Just go to, okay. Just here, command prompt. Every time go to command prompt. CD. CD means what? You get into any directory or not? CD 15 or not? Which locations? 15 machine learning and SLR. SLR. Which file? Okay, I'm sorry. Machine learning regressions. So one tab. See guys, where is my app file? I have machine learning folder or not? In that folder, I have regressions folder. In that folder, I have simple linear regressions folder. Now add. Now I'll write Streamlit run app.py. Just enter. Now just go ahead. What happened? So just wait for some time and localhost. Boom. What is the name of the app? Salary predictions app. This app predicts the salary. Now, if your salary, if your experience is 5 year, my model predict the predicted salary is fantastic. This model was trained using data sets of a year of experience. If your experience is 10 years, boom. I think you guys pretty amazing or not? Your experience is 5 year and 6 months. Now predict salary. Guys, are you done? Amazing or not? So we create backend, we create. So here, how exactly it works? Look at the Streamlit code. Just everything model pickle.load. The file you have to load. So guys, I will do one thing. Let's copy and now just go to the chart. Guys, this is your first projects. You can mention in your resume as well. See, are we do future focused or not? Are we do future focused, guys? There's a no HTML, no XML, nothing else. Very beautiful. We've been designed it. And this is Streamlit app. Just post. So just go here. Now you can work. So that's what. Very simple. Let me know how many of them completed today. And I want to post your practicals in here. Super way of explanations. Very good, Anand. Okay. Now we build more projects like that. It's just a starting. It's just a starting, guys. I want you to be exposed. Don't miss out. Okay. So now do it. No problem. Error aana hai, fix karna hai, then we get output. Hemendra, padukunnava ende?